My name is Martha Ruby from the Digital Dom team, and I'm outside the new Digital Dom headquarters. We're in sunny Irvine, California, right off of Alton and Red Hill, and just next to the John Wayne Airport. And I'm so excited because I'm going to show you what's inside. When you get here, you'll be able to step through the doors and visit Eureka Cafe to grab snacks, coffee, tea, anything that you need before your shoot with Dom. And over here we have a stage, which we're hoping to use in the very near future for workshops and in-person events. So I'm in the elevator and I'm gonna head up to the second floor to visit Dom. See you there. Oh no! When you walk in, this is the place where the receptionist will ask you to have a seat, or a place that we could use as a production area. Over here is another conference room that we can use for big meetings, brainstorming sessions, or even as another production area for shooting. And this is the lounge. It's a great spot to grab a cold cup of water or a hot cup of coffee before filming. And this is where the magic happens. If you follow me, we have our first set that changes to many different colors. Our second set, our additional desk for our secondary editor and admin roles, and the domination station. If you want to see the magic in person, come on down.